Hi, I'm Bob, and welcome to Between the Sheets, where we look at Microsoft Excel and related technologies. Excel is starting to get artificial intelligence tools built in, and I'm going to show you a couple of examples. The good news is the results are correct. Okay. But the not so great news is that as of summer 2023, these work only in the online browser edition of Excel, not on the Windows and Mac desktops. And the way Excel produces the results, even though they're correct, well, let's take a look and see how it works. I'm already logged into office.com, which is actually now onedrive.live.com. If you have a Microsoft 365 account, you already have access to this. If you don't have a subscription, you could get basic access for free. This sheet has about 100 rows of part numbers, you can see here, and they all follow the same format. There's 3 digits, then 4 digits, then another 3 digits. I want to change the middle sequence of all of these to 48, so it'll be 8888. In either the Windows or Mac editions of Excel, I would use the replace function. You could use the replace function here too, but maybe you weren't aware of it or you don't know how to use it. The browser edition will make the changes by following a pattern. It's like flash fill with AI capability. I'm going to start making the changes manually. And after a few of these, hey, this says, hey, do you want to fill cells with this formula? And yes, indeed, I'm going to apply. And look at that. Now it's filled all of these with 8888 in the middle. But let's see, how did it get there? I'll click some of these. Look at this crazy formula. So I don't know if I would really want to use that. Now, of course, I could always select all of this stuff, copy, and then paste values. But this formula is way more than we need. So that's not the route I would want to take, but this is still in beta, so it'll get better. But let's do another example down column C. I'm just going to create some serial numbers. So I'll start out, let's say this way. I'll say A1, and I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3 zeros and a 1. And let's just continue the pattern from there. Now, at first, it's going to try to duplicate that. I don't want that, so I'm just going to type over that. And again, it says, hey, we think we know what you're doing. Do you really want to do that? So I'm going to apply, and yes, it fills in all that. But again, let's look at that formula. That's just a little nuts. Same thing, I could always select this, copy, and paste values. But if I want to use a formula, that's really not the formula that I want to use. And sometimes this just stops in the middle. You know, I've got 100 rows, it might stop at 50, so kind of take it for what it's worth. So like I said, this feature is in beta, which means it should improve as time goes on, and it'll eventually make it to the desktop editions. The most important thing this shows is that Excel is getting AI functionality built in, and I'm wondering what other features it'll get. So until next time, my name is Bob, and this has been Between the Sheets.